Nope. It's not quarters. It's nickels. Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure. Once again, I'm coming at you from Detroit. We're doing a little bit of nickel hunt now, but I got a box of nickels here that they got from their teller trays because they didn't want to go to the vault and get me a new box, which I'm fine with. I checked them out. They're circulated coins all right, so that works for me. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take all the rolls out and then rearrange them back in the box so that I keep track of what roll I'm on since they're kind of loose right now. All right, I've got all the rolls in the box, and there are 50. That's a good sign. And there's no enders. Nothing worth really mentioning. I did pull this one to the left because it's the best ender of them all. I checked, and we've got ourselves a 1959 ender. It's tough to see, but that's the best ender of the bunch that I could tell. We're going to start opening this one first. And as usual, if I find anything cool, we'll loop you in as we go. Let's get to hunting. All right, guys, we're on our third roll. Already pulled out that 59D. That was the ender. And look at this. We've got another one of those possible gold coins there, gold-plated coin. Sorry for the camera work. Let's take a look. But it's definitely gold-plated pretty heavily. Wish I had my scale. I could give you a weight on it. I don't think it weighs more than a normal nickel, but definitely cool that it's gold-plated. I'll take it all day. First cool find of the box. You can see the tourney compared to a regular coin. It's heavily plated. All right, guys, this is going to be a good box. I just pulled out that gold-plated coin as you saw. And look what I see spying out a few coins later. A buffalo nickel. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get a date. I don't have my nickel date here on the road. Looks like it has a mint mark too. Yep. A D mint mark. So that's good. Let me look and see if I can get a date off this, and then I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, I've tried to see. It's going to need nickel date. In some lights, it looks like it could be a 1915, but I can't tell to any extent. It does have a D mint mark, so we do have a buffalo nickel that is definitely a D mint mark. And if I zoom in, it looks like you can see that there's a 1 in there, and that's why I'm thinking that that's a 1915. I can't really tell, but got a buffalo nickel in the third roll of the box. That's a good start, along with the gold tone coin. Let's get back to the rolls. Fifth roll of the box, guys, and we got ourselves a foreign, most likely a Canadian. It is 1988. So that's our first Canadian to go along with 3 from the 50s and that buffalo. Let's keep looking. Seventh roll of the box, guys, and looks like we scored ourselves our first 40s, Jefferson. 1941, Philadelphia. That's a good start to the box. Already got ourselves 7 finds in 7 rolls. All right, we're in our 9th roll and got ourselves another 40s coin. 1946, Denver. That's 2 from the 40s, 4 from the 50s. Let's keep looking. All right, guys, continue on roll number 10, and I can see it back here. Looks like we got ourselves a 1940, Philadelphia. That's now 3 from the 40s, 4 from the 50s, and a buffalo. Okay, guys, roll number 13, and I can see it right here. Looks like we got another Canadian. I think I'm going to find a lot of Canadian nickels today because, again, we're in Troy up near the border. And let's see, what year is this one? Another 88. We'll take it. That's 2 Canadians in the box so far. And I'm just going to pull this out because this one looks pretty old as well back here. It's a Philadelphia mint. Yep, 1953. So that makes another one from the 50s. Let's get back to the hunt. 15th roll, guys, and as I have hinted towards, We've got another Canadian. 2000. That makes 3 now. Well, roll number 16, and looks like we're going to be getting a penny or a foreign of some sort. Probably a penny. Let's see. Yep, we got a penny. 1993. What a waste. All right, guys, I'm freaking out a little bit because I just got mad at that penny that's right here. And I was pulling the coins aside. I had a 1970 something or 77. I was checking the back just to look at the steps. And then I noticed this. A 1938 first year Jefferson. And it looks like it's in pretty good shape. For those of you that know, I have been looking for a 1938 D in great shape or an S. So I'm hoping there's a mint mark on the back of this. 38p. But you know what? Doesn't have a lot of steps, but it's got some remnants of some. We'll take it. 1938. First year Jefferson in pretty good shape. Hunt's getting better and better. All right, guys, this is really going to be a good box. We're on roll number 18. We're starting to stack up some of the finds here. I just grabbed this 2009. I was excited about it. I was like, wow, got my second 2009. I was getting ready to put it over there. I went to look back, and I see a 1954, and I'm happy. But look right behind it, a 1950. Now, I'm super excited. I've only got about 3 or 4 1950 Philadelphia mint coins. I'm still looking for my first 1950 Denver. First things first, the 54 is a Denver. What mint is this 1950? Oh, man. A 1950 plain, Philadelphia. But dang it. I'll take it. I will take it. Wish it was a Denver. But that's 2 50 coins back to back after getting another 09. We're stacking up the finds. I have to make a couple of rows for the 50s. Let's keep looking. Box keeps on giving, guys. Roll 22. Look what we see back here. Another Buffalo. No mint mark on this one. Hopefully there's a date. There is. Looks like it's either 26 or 28. It's confirmed. 1928. I will take a 1928 Buffalo nickel all day. Even if it is a Philadelphia mint. All right. Put that next to the other Buffalo. 2 Buffalo nickels, a 38, 3 40s, 8 50s, 3 Canadians, 2 that I pulled out because either in great shape or gold toned, and 2 2009s. Let's keep looking, guys. This has been a great box, and we've got a lot more rolls to go. Same roll as that 28 Buffalo, guys. We got another 40s coin. 1946, Philadelphia. We will take it. Stacking up the finds. All right, let's get back to the hunt. All right, guys, they did it again. Roll 26. Looks like we got another penny in here. And we do. 95, Denver. So not the double die obverse year. Oh, well. Into the bin. Back to the hunt. Roll number 28. Got another 40s coin. 1941. Philadelphia. That now makes 5 from the 40s. Let's keep looking. Roll number 34, guys, and we got our first silver of the box. 1945. Denver. We'll take it. It's our first silver to go along with the numerous finds so far. And we got lots more rolls. Next roll, roll 35. Got another Canadian. 1985. Fourth Canadian in the box. Same roll. Another Canadian. 1989. 5 Canadians in the box. Let's get back to the hunt. Roll number 45. Got ourselves another Canadian. 1989 again. Put that up there. I'll show you that I got a 1949 in really bad shape and a 41 in bad shape a few rolls ago, but didn't want to show them during the hunt because they just weren't that nice. But I was going to show you anyway that we are continuing to amass quite a collection of finds, and we'll keep looking. All right, guys, we're on the last roll of the box here, and I spilled it out and I saw something different right here. Not sure what this is. Oh wow, look at this. 1929. Cinco centésimos de Balboa. We've got a Panama coin, a nickel from 1929. Can you believe that? That is a first for me. I've never found a nickel this old. Well, besides Buffalo's, of course. And I've always wanted a V-nickel, and it's kind of like a V-nickel. Not really, but still pretty dang cool. I'll have to do a little research on it, see how many were minted. It doesn't appear to be anything other than copper nickel, though. Not a silver coin, at least not from the look of it. But that is a cool foreign. I'm stoked. That's the 7th foreign of the box. The best foreign by far. Maybe the best coin of the box. It'll be hard to beat the 2 Buffaloes, but still. And the silver. Let's finish this roll, and we'll give you a wrap-up. All right, guys, we finished that Troy box of Nickles. Not a bad box whatsoever. We got a lot of 60s coins, which when I get home, I'll have to look at them under the loop. I'll get a count for you guys. 118 coins from 1960 to 1969. Under the finds, we got 5 2009s. We got 4 odd finds, an 87 and an 84 that have full steps, but they're not in great condition in the front. A little dirty, but still full steps. Got a cool toned coin right there. And that gold coin, which when I get home, I'll weigh it up and see if the gold plate has added any weight whatsoever to it. Got a bunch of foreigns, 6 Canadians, and that really cool 1929 Panama coin. Love it. In the 50s, we got 13 50s coins. We got that 1950 Philadelphia, 53, a couple of 54s, a 55, and a looks like a metal detected pulled out of the ground, 56. We got a couple of 57s, 3 58s, and 2 59s. In the 40s, we got a 40, 3 41. One is really bad shape in the middle, as you can see. A couple of 46 and a really bad 49. We also got a 1938 Philadelphia first-year Jefferson nickel in really good shape, to tell you the truth. A 1945 Denver Silver War nickel. I'll take it. And a couple of Buffaloes. One's a confirmed 1928 Philadelphia on the right. On the left, it does have the Denver Mint mark, so that's good. But I can't quite get the date without nick a date. I really didn't want this box to end, guys. And to tell you the truth, I'm probably going to go back tomorrow morning to the same Chase Bank and grab another nickel box. Because if this is the kind of box I'm going to get out here in Troy, I would like to get another one before I go home. Hope you enjoyed the hunt with me. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.